Today I'm going to teach you how to install WPBakery Page Builder in WordPress. This powerful page builder will give you the ability to create stunning, professional-looking pages without needing to write any code, making it an essential tool for anyone looking to design their WordPress site visually. First things first, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard, open your browser, and navigate to your website's admin URL, which is typically your domain, followed by /wp-admin. Enter your username and password to access the backend of your WordPress site. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll have access to all the tools needed to manage and customize your website. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left sidebar where all your main navigation options are located. You'll want to navigate to the plugins section, so go ahead and click on plugins. This area is your central hub for managing all the extensions and add-ons that enhance your WordPress site's functionality. From the submenu that appears, select Add Plugin. This will direct you to the plugin installation page where you can browse and search for new plugins to add to your site. Now you'll see a search field in the top right corner of the plugin page. This is where you'll find the specific plugin we need. Type WPBakery Page Builder into the search field and hit enter. WordPress will instantly search through its plugin directory to find matching results. You should see WPBakery Page Builder appear in the search results, complete with its icon and a brief description of what it does. When you've located the correct plugin, you'll notice an Install Now button right next to it. Click on Install Now to begin the installation process. WordPress will automatically download and install the plugin files onto your site. This usually takes just a few seconds, so you won't have to wait long. Once the installation is complete, the Install Now button will change to an Activate button. This is an important step because installing the plugin alone won't make it functional on your site. Click on Activate to enable WPBakery Page Builder. After activation, the plugin will be fully operational and ready to use. And there you have it. WPBakery Page Builder is now installed and active on your WordPress site, ready for you to start creating beautiful pages with its drag and drop interface. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.